Hey everyone, my name is Andre John and I just want to welcome you back to Play Drums the Easy Way. The last class we did, we were looking at reggae and why it was called one drop, and I showed you a very easy way. It's a very simple beat and I showed you a very easy way, how you can actually play this beat. And so we're just going to revise, both of them, and then we improvise a bit on the hi-hat. So I'm going to go over that and then we're going to go to the next step. So we started right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your snare drum and your bass drum play on 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we improvise on the hi-hat. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're going to improvise a bit more on the hi-hat. All right, so follow me. So we're going to start with from the first one, go on to the second, then we go on to the third, and then a fourth. So from step 1 in the one drop reggae, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Improvise. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Go ahead. Improvise. Remember, you can stop the video, go back, take it slow. So let's go over all 4 of those beats now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Next step. Right, and one of the famous songs that you can actually sing, with this one drop reggae is a famous song by Bamali, One Love, One Heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Yeah. Thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright, be alright. Praise to the Lord, and it will be alright. All right. Okay, so remember you can go back over and ensure that you are actually getting each step, each phase. Right? So thank you so much for joining.